Okay, okay, we in business. We in business. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thanks for joining the wig review. And for those of you who don't know me, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Today's video, I'll be reviewing the wig Outre Juliet. So go ahead and watch it, install the wig, and then come back and I'll give you my 54 cents of whether you should be picking this to go. Let's go.
I can see it in your eyes, like chemistry stare I can deny. It's all the candid feed. Want you tell me that it's real? You're in my feelings. I can't believe that. Boy, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. So tell you down, I can't get enough. I just wanna dance with you. So can you keep it up, boy? Can you keep it up, boy? Keep it up, keep it up. Why do I keep on standing here when all we gotta do is dance? The night is almost over, baby. This could be our last chance. Like in the movies, baby, just hold me. So too sad, too sad, too sad. Love the way you make me feel. I love the way you hit that floor. The DJ's playing now, so let's keep on dancing all night long. Baby, I'm crazy. Yes, we are falling. So too sad, too sad, too sad. Made a lot of crowd, I ain't mess around. Give me that two-step. To the left, to the right, yeah, yeah. See me by my side, yeah, yeah. It's a tragedy 'cause I keep on falling. You give me the steps and my heart is going down. I can keep up with your rhythm, boy, you give me symptoms. Can ignore it, you give me two steps, I gotta show it. What I feel, nothing, I never know it. Two steps, boy, you got me going. You're in my feelings, I can't believe that. Boy, I found you. I found you, yeah. So tell you down, I can't get enough. I just wanna dance with you. So can you keep it up, boy? Can you keep it up, boy? With my friends, keep it up, keep it up. Why do I keep on standing here when all we gotta do is dance? The night is almost over, baby. This could be our last chance. Like in the movies, baby, just hold me. So too sad, too sad, too sad. Love the way you make me feel. I love the way you hit that floor. The DJ's playing now, so let's keep on dancing all night long. Baby, I'm crazy. Yes, we are falling. So too sad, too sad, too sad. Won't you give me that two-step, baby? Give me that two-step, baby. Won't you give me that two-step, baby? Give me that two-step, baby. Won't you give me that two-step, baby? Give me that two-step, baby. Won't you give me that two-step, baby? Give me that, give me that, give me that. Why I keep on standing here when all we gotta do is
Hey, watch me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. Again, the unit that I have is Outre Juliet. It is part of the melted hairline. The color that I have is DRST4 Ginger Spice. The unit is 20 inches. It is glueless with a pre-attached white elastic band in addition to the 3 combs and the regular adjustable band. It does say it's 80 transparent lace, and it has a 5-inch deep parting area. It is pre-plucked. It does come in some fire colors. It does says adhesive up to 400 degrees, and yeah, that's about it about the specs. So this is the unit. What can I say about it? It is a right side part. You cannot change the part, unfortunately. It's not beard friendly. It does have a bit of tangles, but it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. You can just use a brush and you'll be fine. It does have flowers, just a tiny bit of flowers, not a whole lot. What else can I talk about this? Texture of the unit is silky. And I had to cut some layers in it because it was, I don't know what was going on. But it does look like it has layers here, but mine didn't come in any layers. It was just all one length to me, so I had the hardest time styling it. So I cut some layers on this side. I didn't cut layers on that side. I just barrel curled it, and this is what we came up with. Overall, do I love the unit? No, I do not like this unit at all. I love the color. I don't like the unit, but maybe if I play around with it some more and try to style it to fit my face, maybe. I don't know, but right now I'm not really enjoying this unit. I really love the curl. I just don't like the layering of the hair, and I don't have the time right now to layer it. So, but yeah, I feel like hair needs more layers. Hair needs more layers, and it's not giving. It's not giving. But if you love the unit on me, go ahead and check down in the description. I'll leave a link so you can pick it up. So yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would I rate the unit? Besides the layering of the unit, there's nothing wrong with the unit. I just prefer my units to be laid. And this one wasn't. But you know what I could do? If I shift it more to this side, maybe it'll work. Let's see. Oh, we might be working with some here. You might be working with something here. Okay, we in business. Because of this change, I might just give this unit an 8. Look at that. Yeah, that's all I need. I just needed to structure it a bit. I'm loving it now. Yeah, I'm loving it. I can rock her now. So yeah. So my bad. Scratch the first whatever rating I gave it. I'm loving this unit now. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about a unit? This something you can see yourself wearing? Would you purchase this unit? Or do you already have the unit in a different color or in this color? How do you feel about it? Do you agree with my rating of maybe bumping it to 8? Maybe even a 9? She's gorgeous. Now that I know how to, you know, put on my head the right way. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah. You know what this wig would be perfect for? Graduation. I know it's like maybe in a few weeks, 4 to maybe 8 weeks. I think this wig would be perfect for graduation. I really do. And talking about graduation, you know what I'm thinking? Just thinking. I don't know if I'm actually going to have time to do it. Maybe I need to make time to do it. Do some natural hairstyles for graduations. And maybe some wigs. Maybe. I don't know if I have time for graduation. And I mean, even if I say it's for graduation, you probably could use it for weddings. And if you're invited to a wedding and you're attending, or if you're attending a wedding and you want a natural hairstyle, I might just do that instead of just doing wigs, because this economy, everybody can't buy a wig. Maybe they want to comb the hair, or maybe even wearing a wig is too hot, or they don't know how to wear a wig. So give you guys options. Let me know what you think about this suggestion. Let me know if that's something you're open to, or just want to see wigs, because I know some people, when they start watching YouTubers, they want to see what they want to see, and some people pivot and they're okay with it, and some people are not. I don't want to pivot and that's not what you want to see. So let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. So with that being said, that's all I have for this wig review. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.